For a fact, social media is dead. If you're still relying on static posts, expensive ads, or even live videos for traffic and engagement, you're way behind the curve. You spend hours crafting the perfect post, the perfect image, the perfect caption. You give your blood, sweat, and tears, only to have it disappear in a matter of minutes. The ever-changing algorithm of social media makes it nearly impossible to make anything stick. You need to adapt fast, and adapt right. Because if you don't, you'll be stuck in the same cycle of disappointment and frustration. You'll keep losing followers, customers, and sales. A few months back, a simple Instagram forward by my wife changed everything. More on that later. The real question today is, where did all the traffic go? The two biggest mistakes that are stopping you from growing on social media. 1. You're not using short-form videos. Instead of reading long posts, watching long videos, people are now watching short, snackable, fun, and engaging content. Stuff that is around 15 to 30 seconds long. They spend hours scrolling through their feed, swiping up and down. 2. Even if you do, you're doing it the wrong way. You're posting like you would usually do, which is what everyone else is doing. You're competing for the same audience, with similar content. You're boring. There is no way for you to stand out, even if you have the best content. But don't worry, today is the best time to get started on this crazy new trend. Why? Because Instagram is practically begging you to get on board. And the best way to take advantage of this latest trend is Instagram Reels. Newbies, kids, grandpas, people with no talent, and some just by pure luck, are pulling in millions of views and making thousands of dollars on Instagram Reels without any prior experience, technical skills, or knowledge. And there's no reason why you can't do the same. You can literally post anything you want, and as long as it's under 90 seconds, you can get traffic with it. You can use these videos to promote your products, affiliate offers, sell courses, or simply get more sales for your business. Why Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels is still in its early stages, and there's very little competition. That means you can easily get noticed and start getting traffic to your website in a matter of minutes. Also, you get an unfair advantage using our secret sauce AI tech, plus private strategies that are proven to go viral and generate traffic fast. You won't find this anywhere else. Instagram is pushing Reels really hard more than anything else, resulting in tens of thousands of views daily, even for new creators with 0 followers. Instagram wants to take out TikTok and other platforms, so they're giving extra love to Reels right now. And that's why it's more easier than ever to drive traffic with Instagram Reels. And if you want to tap into this gigantic opportunity and leverage the power of Instagram Reels to skyrocket your reach, followers, traffic, and sales, all you need is our secret sauce technology. And the best part is, you don't have to be an influencer. You don't need to record videos. Don't need to show your face or voice. Don't need to be tech savvy. And you don't need to spend hours every day creating or editing content. Today I'm going to show you how to use this secret sauce technology to quickly and easily create hundreds of hyper-addictive Instagram Reels that generate a ton of attention and engagement, getting you more reach, followers, traffic, and sales fast. Hi, my name is Ram Rawat, and I'm a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I'm super grateful to be able to help over 60,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2.5 million in sales in the last 4 years. The accidental discovery that changed everything. Last year, I casually asked my wife what she wanted for her birthday, and I ended up spending over $1,000 because of an Instagram Reel she forwarded to me. However, I was surprised to see it had over 1.4 million views, 88,000 likes. Their account had over 1 million followers and was growing every second. Not only did I have to buy her those sandals, we ended up buying even more stuff. How did they get so much attention with a single content? I thought to myself. I researched hundreds of Instagram channels, but to my surprise, very few were actually using Instagram Reels, and the ones that were using it mostly relied on guesswork and luck. Even then, we were generating millions of views and traffic to their websites, blogs, and offers. I figured out you need 2 things to become successful with Reels. 1. Create attention-grabbing, addictive, and trendy content. 2. You need to post 10 to 20 Reels every day. That's what big companies, influencers, and successful accounts were doing. However, there was still a huge problem. I just couldn't find the time to record all that content and edit it. Also, I did not want to show my face, voice, or hundreds of scripts. And definitely I did not want to outsource or invest in something that was not proven yet. So I put my geek hat on. After months of hard work, going to and fro with my developer and sleepless nights, I finally developed a system that would create me hundreds of attention-grabbing, addictive, and trending Instagram Reels in minutes. I called it Instagram Reels, secret sauce technology. We applied it to our own accounts and immediately saw the results. We started getting more reach, followers, traffic, and sales. I was able to make money without spending hours and hours of my day. My wife thinks I'm a magical wizard sometimes, and I can see why. My secret sauce technology is designed to make this all easy for you too. It's like having a personal assistant that creates high-quality content on demand in minutes. Introducing InstaRocket AI. New secret sauce AI technology creates hundreds of highly addictive, commission-generating Instagram Reels in minutes and skyrocket your reach, followers, and traffic fast. Plus, with our step-by-step video training and case studies, you'll have everything you need to become a Reels master and take your traffic game to the next level. Creating hundreds of Instagram Reels that generates massive traffic and commissions is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a keyword to find viral video in your niche. Add video link or upload any video. Step 2. With one click, our AI customizes it and turns it into hundreds of hyper-addictive Instagram Reels videos. Step 3. Publish and schedule for months. Go viral, skyrocket your reach, and generate free traffic 24/7. That's it, you're done. You don't need any video editing skills. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need to be on camera. You don't need subscribers, and you don't even need a blog or website. With InstaRocket AI, you can generate traffic without any skills or experience. Why InstaRocket AI? Here are the major benefits you will get from InstaRocket AI. 1. It's the first and only software that creates hundreds of hyper-addictive Instagram Reels videos in minutes. 2. Instagram and Facebook are organically pushing Reels to the moon. Take advantage of this traffic explosion now. 3. Get the first mover advantage and get noticed before your competitors do and dominate your niche. 4. You don't need any video editing skills. You don't need to show your face and you don't need to be on camera. 5. You don't need subscribers, and you don't even need a blog or website. You can start right away without any skills, experience, or budget. 6. You can use these videos to promote your products, affiliate offers, sell courses, or simply get more sales for your business. 7. You can use these videos on multiple sites like Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok to gain more exposure. 8. It is fully scalable and repeatable in any niche, and you can use it over and over again to get more traffic and sales. Not just that, we're constantly adding new features to this software so that you will always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click with paid ads just to acquire a lead, or spending hours and hours trying to generate free traffic with little or no results, or outsourcing your video creation and content for hundreds of dollars. Now imagine that you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few Instagram Reels, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. You can create as many Reels as you want, and each Reel can drive thousands of people to your website from all over the world. So, how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time one-time offer. After the launch, we will turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure that we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this is the way we'll be able to support our operations more effectively. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. If you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that if you are not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying InstaRocket AI, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you will regret it later. InstaRocket AI is the best, fastest, easiest way to generate high-quality buyer traffic with minimum effort and no risk. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You'll still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So, don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the InstaRocket AI at a higher price, or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.